Hey chickies, I hope you're all doing okay out there. Now today we're doing a very simple dandelion design. I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. So for this one we're going to be doing it a little bit, or starting it off a little bit differently. We're not doing a base shade, we're doing just your favorite base coat is just fine for this one, and do a couple of coats of that. We're going to start adding a little bit of color, only using 2 shades this time. We're using a beautiful lime pastel. It's like a lime pastel neon. It's really beautiful. Now you want to take as much of the polish off the brush as you can. Just wipe it on the side, and we're going to do some swipes onto the tip of your nail, and I'm starting from the tip and then going towards the middle of the nail so that you get sort of those really lovely brush strokes, because that's what you're looking for with this particular design. Next we're coming in with our second shade, and it's basically a kind of soft neon-y pink color. And as you can see, because the first the lime was put on quite in a thin way, it's like you're not putting very much polish on, it doesn't take very long to dry, so it doesn't take long before you can actually put the second coat and go and crisscross over it. So you can definitely see the second shade, but you can also see the first shade through the second shade. You can choose any color combination you like. Any color combination is going to work. Obviously not really dark colors, but yeah. Next we're going to come in with some black acrylic craft paint and a fine detail brush, and we're going to do our dandelion design, which is super duper simple. Anyone can do this. It's really important you have a fine detail brush so you can get those fine strokes, but that's really as precise as you really need to be. You don't need to be super duper precise about this. Why'd you say it different? On the other middle nail we're going to be doing just the offshoot. I don't know what they're called. You know, the little bits of the dandelion that fly away in the wind, or when you blow on one. That's what we're doing on this particular nail. We're only doing 4 of those, but you can do as many as you like, or you don't have to do them at all. It's up to you. Why'd you say it different? Once you have completed your design, you want to go ahead and seal it all in with your favorite top coat. For this one, I really hope you liked it. I love how it turned out. I hope you're all staying safe out there and looking after each other and being kind to each other. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, chickies.